There's a nice springbuck, a black springbuck. He's coming to the left. He's coming to the left, yeah. You smoked him. He's done. Well done, good shooting. You smoked him. Yeah, he's done. How does it look? Yeah, look all the blood, eh? You can see the blood. Here's your springbuck. Don't go far. Come on, just lift his head up there. You see it? Nice one, nice male, eh? Yeah. Didn't go far at all. That was very good shot placement. Well done, Travis.
Good black one, huh?
Good black one. Very good. They're small animals, eh?
Yeah, little.
Little tiny animals. Good stuff. Let's go look at your lead tray. There's the lead tray. Look at him. They didn't go far apart. There you go. Good stuff. Nice one. Beautiful animals, eh? Good stuff. Good shooting. Well done.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go take pictures.
You ran about 75 yards probably?
Well done. Good shooting. Congratulations.
Thank you. Shot a Lechway first, and then this big black springbuck come in. Made a good shot on him. So 2 animals the first morning.
Good stuff. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, just go slowly up. Throw your bow. Throw your bow. Stand slowly up. Stand up. Where did you hit him?
Ah, fucking hit him right across the...
Okay, there. Yeah, he's done. He's done. 40, what is that? 43 yards?
Yeah.
Stalked around the reedbuck here in the hills, eh? In the Free State. Well done. No, he's down. He's down. Good shooting. Well done. You're
It
welcome.
looked like it came out behind his shoulder.
Yeah,
Blood.
yeah. Lift his head to me. Well done. Just turn his head around. Good stuff. There you go. Also a tiny animal, eh? Small animal. Well done, man.
Target of opportunity there. Kind of surprised us out of nowhere.
Yeah, good shooting. 42 yards.
Yep.
He didn't go far. Well done, eh?
Yep, thank you.
Straight up the leg and aim a little low. Little back. Let's see what he does. Just a tad far back.
Sit down and lay down there.
Did he go down?
I don't know.
I don't watch him now.
One is laying down there. See, there's one laying down.
No, he's covered good with blood, eh? Look at that.
Looks better than what we thought, huh?
Yeah, it looks good. Alright, we did not see him go down, but let's just walk down there. He should be down. There's some ostriches and more springbuck.
What, second springbuck of the day? 4th animal here in the Orange State with HW.
Well done, good shooting, you're doing well. You gotta slow down now.
Yeah, let's take it easy the rest of the day.
Good, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna open the door, this window. You see the one walking in from the back? Just give me time. Just wait. Wait Where's that? Yep. Just watch him for that window. Just watch him. Can you see him?
Last afternoon got the elusive white one that we've been after for 2 days. So what do we get? 3 springbucks?
Yeah, 3 springbucks, mountain redbuck and a lechwe. You did good, eh?
Yep. Great place.
Good, congratulations.
Thank you.
We got it. We got it. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. He's down. He's down. That's a huge springbuck, huh? Well done, yeah, you toast him. He's done. Just lift his horns there. His head. How does he look, eh? Big male, eh?
Yeah, last morning here in the Free State with HW and Dries, our plan B came together and finished the slam. Both me and Chip got our slam here in 2.5 days.
Good, congratulations.
Heading to Limpopo now.